you can get a trial version of Windows Server 2016 and even Windows 10 from Microsoft.com. Here you have to register, and then you have a list of options, a list of operating systems that you can download for free. Yes, it is limited. Here for Windows Server you have 180 days, more than enough to play with this operating system, and Windows 10 as well, because we need a client. We want to make sure we have a client we can play with. Installing Windows Server 2016, we have our virtual machine ready. I hope that you've managed to download the file already. If not, please make sure you give it a go. You have to select this file using VirtualBox. Here we go. Okay, here we want to go for this option. We want to go for desktop experience because we want to have GUI. Because if you go for the first option, it's just CLI, command line interface. Yes. Here we want to go for this option called advanced, and we want to start from scratch. Here we have one hard disk. You could load some drivers, but this is not required here, so we click next. Believe it or not, but that is all you have to do. Wait around 10-15 minutes and Windows Server will be installed.